हेलो गाइस, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूं गुलाम रसूल और आपको मैं अपने चैनल गुलाम्स लर्निंग एकेडमी में खुशामदीद कहता हूं। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है हैमलेट एमसीक्यूज़। हैमलेट शेक्सपियर का प्ले है और ये बहुत ही मस्ट रीड है फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ इंग्लिश लिटरेचर। So let's go ahead without any wastage of time. But before we go ahead, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you may never miss an update and my upcoming videos. Thank you. First quiz is, what is the setting of Hamlet? The A. Scotland, B. England, C. Denmark, D. France. Correct answer is C. Denmark. Quiz 2. What is the first character to see the ghost? A. Hamlet, B. Horatio, C. Marcellus, D. Bernardo. Correct answer is Bernardo. MCQ 3. What does the ghost claim to be? A. Demon, B. Spirit, C. Messenger, D. Figment of Hamlet's imagination. Correct answer is the spirit of King Hamlet. Quiz 4. What is the ghost's request to Hamlet? A. To leave Denmark. B. To avenge his murder. C. To forgive Claudius. D. To become king. Correct answer is to avenge his murder. Quiz 5. Who becomes king after King Hamlet's death? A. Hamlet. B. Claudius. A. Hamlet. B. Claudius. C. Laertes. D. 14 brass. Correct answer is B. Claudius. MCQ 6. What is the name of Hamlet's closest friend? A. Rosencrantz, B. Guildenstern, C. Horatio, D. Polonius. Correct answer is C. Horatio. MCQ 7. How is Claudius related to Hamlet? A. His father, B. His uncle, C. His cousin, D. His grandfather. Correct answer is his uncle. MCQ 8. Who is Ophelia? A. Hamlet's sister, B. Hamlet's lover, C. Claudius' daughter, D. Queen Gertrude's maid. Correct answer is Hamlet's lover. MCQ 9. How does Ophelia die? She drowns, B. She is poisoned, C. She is stabbed, D. She hangs herself. Correct answer is she is drowned. MCQ 10. What play does Hamlet stage to confirm Claudius' guilt? A. Spanish tragedy. B. The murder of Gonzago. C. The mousetrap. D. King Lear. Correct answer is the murder of Gonzago. MCQ 11. What famous phrase does Hamlet say in his soliloquy? A. Fair is foul and foul is fair. B. To be or not to be, that is the question. C. Out, damn it, spot. C. D. Something is rotten in the state of Denmark. Correct answer is to be or not to be, that is the question. MCQ 12. Who spies on Hamlet and Gertrude's conversation in Act 3? A. Polonius, B. Claudius, C. Ophelia, D. Laertes. And the correct answer is A. Polonius. MCQ 13. How does Polonius die? A. Hamlet stabs him behind a curtain. B. Claudius poisons him. C. He falls from a tower. D. Laertes kills him in a duel. Correct answer is Hamlet stabs him behind a curtain. MCQ 14. Who provides comic relief in the play? A. The ghost. B. The grave digger. C. Rosencrantz and Guildenstern. D. 14 brass. Correct answer is the grave diggers. MCQs 15. Why does Claudius send Hamlet to England? A. For education. B. To marry a princess. C. To be executed. D. To fight in a war. Correct answer is to be executed. MCQ 16. How does Hamlet return to Denmark? A. He escapes from pirates. B. He swims back. C. Horatio rescues him. D. Ophelia helps him. Correct answer is he escapes from pirates. MCQ 16. Who is Laertes' weapon in the duel? What is Laertes' weapon in the duel? A. Poisoned sword. B. Dagger. C. A bow and arrow. D. Slingshot. Correct answer is a poisoned sword. MCQ 18. How does Queen Gertrude die? A. She is poisoned. B. She is stabbed. C. She drowns. D. She is hanged. Correct answer is she is poisoned. MCQ 19. Who kills Claudius? A. Laertes. B. Hamlet. C. Horatio. D. Polonius. Correct answer is B. Hamlet. MCQ 20. Who becomes king at the end of the play? A. Horatio. B. Fortinbras. C. Hamlet. D. Claudius. Correct answer is Fortinbras. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you may never miss an update. Okay, MCQs 21. What does Hamlet consider in his to be or not to be soliloquy? A. Revenge against Claudius. B. The meaning of life and suicide. C. His love for Ophelia. D. The nature of the afterlife. The nature of the afterlife. Correct answer is the meaning of life and suicide. MCQs 22. Who says something is rotten in the state of Denmark? A. Hamlet. B. Horatio. D. Marcellus. And D. Claudius. Correct answer is C. Marcellus. MCQs 23. Why does Hamlet pretend to be mad? A. To distract Claudius. B. To test Ophelia's love. C. To investigate his father's murder. D. To scare Gertrude. Correct answer is to investigate his father's murder. MCQs 24. Who delivers the famous Frailty, thy name is woman line? A. Claudius. B. Hamlet. C. Polonius. D. Laertes. Correct answer is B. Hamlet. 25. Why does Laertes challenge Hamlet to a duel? A. Hamlet killed Polonius. B. Hamlet insulted Ophelia. C. Claudius orders him to. D. Hamlet planned to seize the throne. Correct answer is Hamlet killed Polonius. MCQ 26. Who are Rosencrantz and Guildenstern? A. Hamlet's childhood friends. B. Claudius' soldiers. C. Ophelia's brothers. D. Members of the royal council. Correct answer is Hamlet's childhood friends. MCQ 27. How does Claudius try to kill Hamlet during the duel? A. Poisoning his drink. B. Using a poisoned dagger. C. Tripping him in a burning room. D. Stabbing him in his sleep. Correct answer is uh, poisoning his drink. MCQ 28. Why does Ophelia go mad? A. Hamlet rejects her. B. Her father Polonius is killed. C. Claudius threatens her. D. Laertes leaves Denmark. Correct answer is her father Polonius is killed. MCQ 29. Who is Yorick? Who is Yorick? A. Danish nobleman. B. The court jester whose skull Hamlet finds. C. Ophelia's brother. D. A spy for Claudius. Correct answer is the court jester whose skull Hamlet finds. MCQ 30. How does Hamlet die? He is poisoned by Claudius. B. He is stabbed with a poisoned sword. C. He drinks poison. D. He is executed. Correct answer is he is stabbed with a poisoned sword. MCQ 31. What is Fortinbras' role in the play? A. He is Hamlet's best friend. He is the Norwegian prince who takes over Denmark. C. He is spy working for Claudius. D. He helps Hamlet kills Claudius. Correct answer is he is the Norwegian prince who takes over Denmark. MQ 32. Why does Hamlet hesitate to kill Claudius when he sees him praying? A. He fears going to hell. He wants to make sure Claudius goes to hell. C. He thinks Claudius might repent. D. He is unsure if Claudius is guilty. Correct answer is he wants to make sure Claudius goes to hell. MCQ 33. What do the grave diggers discuss before Hamlet arrives? A. The meaning of life. B. The burial of Ophelia and whether it was a suicide. C. The political situation in Denmark. D. Claudius' guilt. Correct answer is the burial of Ophelia and whether it was a suicide. MCQ 34. What does Gertrude do after drinking poisoned wine? A. She accuses Claudius. B. She warns Hamlet. She runs out of the hall. She dies silently. Correct answer is she warns Hamlet. Question number 35. Who is the last person to die in the play? A. Hamlet. B. Claudius. C. Gertrude. D. Horatio. Correct answer is Hamlet. MCQ 36. What does Hamlet ask Horatio to do before he dies? A. Kill Claudius. B. Tell his story. C. Take the throne. D. Avenge Ophelia's death. Correct answer is tell his story. MCQ 37. How does Claudius react to the play The Murder of Gonzago? A. He laughs and he claps. B. He remains calm. C. He leaves abruptly. D. He challenges Hamlet to a duel. Answer is he leaves abruptly. MCQ 38. Why is Ophelia's burial controversial? A. She was not a noble woman. B. She committed suicide. C. She was secretly married. D. She was still alive when buried. Correct answer is she committed suicide. 39. What is Hamlet's famous remark when he finds Yorick's skull? A. Alas, poor Yorick, I knew him ratio. B. To be or not to be. C. What a piece of work is man. D. There is something rotten in the state of Denmark. Correct answer is Alas, poor Yorick, I knew him ratio. MCQ 40 and last, what is the overall theme of Hamlet? The power of love, the consequence of revenge, the dangers of ambition, the struggle of political power. Correct answer is the consequences of revenge. In the end, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you may never miss my upcoming videos. Thank you.